So this is for developing listening energy. Now, if a person puts a force on my body and I touch with the hands, my hands are used to feeling things. So I have the maximum amount of sensitivity on the surface of the hands. I want to transfer that sensitivity to the rest of my body. So I touch with the hands first, identify the sensations of feeling as fascia, feeling as base. As soon as I've identified those sensations, you can journal them or write them on a whiteboard. And then I feel through this point and go, there's the same sensation. So now I'm feeling through this part of my body and finding as base, finding as fascia. So I teach my nervous system to feel from here in the same way it feels in my hand. So I touch again here, I feel more than that point, and then I feel from there and touch his base, go, there it is, I can find his base. So I've got to educate different parts of the body to have equal feeling as the surface of my hands. Once you've done, this is kind of like the easiest, then go to, with the palms, just touch the base and go, yep, feel the base, and then turn the hand around and use the back of the fingers and feel the base. And notice the difference in sensitivity. So when you go back to here, you go, no, I remembered I felt more with my palms this way, and you go, there it is, I can feel that same level. So this is your first stage of listening energy, is just to transfer what you can feel there into different parts of your body. The second is, now that I can feel his base, just to put a little bit of gin in, but I don't want to send him away. I want to put a little bit of energy and float him, and then what do I feel now through the back of my hand? What do I feel now through the front of my hand? You're still going to feel a bit more through the front because it's more energetically sensitive, because you learn building the ball and your basic exercises through that doorway. Then you transfer to other parts of the body. You open the gin, float your partner, and feel through the float. And you go, there's other feelings there. There's emotions, there's points of tension that you noticed before, there's concentrations of intent wanting to release, his balance stabilizing. You get all these different sensations in the line. If you write them down ASAP, you'll integrate them into your listening skill. And you want to write down a whole library of sensations. And as you write those sensations down, they'll start popping up more in your listening, because you're logging them into your own consciousness. I want more of this, and you get exactly more of that. Once you've put a little bit of life force and you put the float and you're listening through the float, put the first transformation, move into the astral, and then just touch and listen through the astral, and then again log your sensations that you're experiencing. It'll go deeper into the emotional layers, and then if you open the mental body more, then you'll start experiencing consciousness and the rising of intention. So if he wants to move, it'll arise through the mental astral first and then physically appear. Having that release in the line, you go, here it comes, and it's coming from afar. So you get those skills start to develop. So listening energy is a mechanically built process. It's not, some people got it and some people don't. That's initially true, but you can mechanically build it. And so it's a type of metaphysical psychology that you're using to get that sensitivity. So think this one out. Okay, have a play.